Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Axon 30, and today I'll show you how we can enable the power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, extend the list, and then here you should be able to locate our power saving mode somewhere. Now if it's not on the first page, you can swipe to the side and maybe find it on the second page, so I basically have nothing here. So it looks like it's actually turned off by default. So to fix that, let's select this pencil icon, scroll down, and you can see the toggle is right here, power saver. So I think that's how it's called. We also have the ultra power saver. This is a much more extensive mode over the power saver. So I'm gonna add both of them just so I can show you the basically power saving mode but on steroids. So anyway, let's select back. And you can now find the two toggles, at least the ones that I have added, on the second page. So to enable the normal power saving mode, you just press on it. It looks like it turns the outline or inlay of the battery blue to signify that it's running. And that's about all you have for visuals. Now, most likely it will turn off high refresh rate on the display. So yeah, we're at 60 right now, instead of the 120, I think that's default to this device. There might be other things happening in the background, like Wi-Fi and mobile data being turned off when the device is not in use for some period of time. This does save a little bit of battery, but honestly I think it might create more of a problem rather than just any kind of helpfulness from the power saving mode. And just to give you a better alternative, or something that I might consider a better alternative, I know it might not work for everybody, but hopefully some of you can utilize this, would be the brightness slider. Now, apart from just being able to control brightness, the lower the brightness is, the more battery will last, or the longer the battery will last. So if you're not needing your device to run at like full brightness, just drop it down by half or a little bit more, and this will already yield you several hours of additional battery life for just that simple little change. So obviously if you don't need your screen to be just full brightness, do this. It's a really great way to optimize your battery. Obviously, like I mentioned, not everybody will be able to utilize this. Direct sunlight might be your enemy in this case, especially when you're going outside. Having brightness like right now, in direct sunlight, this screen probably won't be very visible. So obviously you will need to bring up the brightness of your device. You could then utilize the power saving mode, but I believe the actual brightness slider might have better battery effect over the actual mode. Now, what will have a better effect on your battery life would be the other mode. So I'm going to turn that off. That was the normal power saving mode. And I'm going to turn on the, what was it called? The Ultra Power Saver. Select OK. Give it a second. Yes? Come on. Oh, come the hell on. Why don't you turn on? There we go. For some reason the toggle doesn't want to work. ZTE, I guess. But yeah, once you turn it on, as you can see, yeah, the functionality of the device is just kind of gone out the window. Now this does prioritize battery life. So right now with my battery being at, I'll quickly bring up the phone so I can see, 78%. There we go. 78%. I'm gonna be apparently getting 64 hours of battery life and 45 minutes. That is a hefty amount of battery life. Now, obviously you have a fairly limited usability of your device. You have just a couple applications you can add here. And you don't have a wallpaper. Your brightness is also turned down. And that is nothing, or not something that you can change, at least not much. And yeah, that's basically the ultra power saving mode. As you can see, it takes it to the extreme. But anyway, once you're done with it and you want to go back to the normal mode, all you would need to do is click on this exit button right here. Select OK. And everything should go back to normal. Now anyway, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.